Jeff Bezos, the man behind one of the most successful companies in the world, Amazon, had a remarkable journey filled with struggle, determination, and relentless pursuit of his dreams. A modest suburban home in Albuquerque, New Mexico. Young Jeff, a curious and inventive child, is engrossed in a science experiment. After graduating summa cum laude from Princeton, Bezos delved into the world of finance, taking up various roles that shaped his business acumen. A cluttered garage in Bellevue, Washington, transformed into a makeshift office. Jeff, surrounded by computers and boxes, works tirelessly on his business plan. In 1994, Bezos left a well-paying job to pursue his entrepreneurial aspirations. With a $300,000 investment from his parents, he founded an online bookstore, Amazon.com, from his garage. Bezos' ability to articulate his vision and convince investors of Amazon's potential played a crucial role in securing the necessary funding to fuel the company's growth. The once small warehouse has transformed into a bustling headquarters, filled with employees and buzzing with energy. Jeff walks through the office, interacting with employees and ensuring their happiness and motivation. Under Bezos' leadership, Amazon diversified its offerings, revolutionizing the e-commerce industry with innovations like Kindle, Prime, and Amazon Web Services, expanding its influence across multiple sectors. Jeff, now a billionaire, sits at his desk, reflecting on his journey. His eyes twinkle with a mix of pride and determination. Jeff Bezos' struggle and unwavering determination transformed him from a dreamer into one of the world's most successful entrepreneurs. His legacy will forever inspire generations to come.